let's make cinnamon toast waffles using DivineKuizine's pancake and waffle mix. Hey y'all, so we're getting ready to make these cinnamon toast crunch waffles using DivineKuizine's complete and fluffy pancake mix. So this is easy peasy. All you're gonna need is DivineKuizine's pancake mix. It has no preservatives. It has no artificial sweeteners in it. So it's good. So let's go into how we are going to make these pancake and waffles. So we have the DivineKuizine pancake and waffle mix. Like I said, you can get this on DivineKuizine.com. So I have 2 cups of the pancake mix in here. We have 1 egg. We have 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I like to use half and half, but you can use whole milk or whatever you have available. But I like to use half and half. And the ingredients or instructions are on the back of this pancake and waffle mix. So you can use water if you wanted to, but it has different oils that you can put in it as well. So we're gonna go ahead and put some of the milk in here because we're gonna do our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. Mix them together. So I'm gonna go ahead and whisk the egg, the milk, and the butter together. And like I said, you don't have to do, it'll tell you different ways to use the product. You could just use water if you wanted to, or whole milk, or oil, for it. Our pancake mix, like I said, is already kind of sweet as it is. It has organic sugar, maple sugar, a hint of maple sugar in there. So it's already kind of sweet. So you don't necessarily always have to have a lot of syrup in it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pour the wet ingredients into the dry and start to whisk it together. Put some more in there. Whisk it around until it gets all well combined. And then one other thing, because we're making cinnamon toast crunch, I'm gonna take this, and you're gonna close up the bag. Close up the bag, like so. Make sure you don't have any air in there. You're gonna take your rolling pin, and you're gonna put the cinnamon toast crunch mixture into your mix, into your waffle and pancake mix. And you're gonna stir that around in there. And put a little more of the wet that we had in there. And stir this around. And whisk it or whatever you have. As I said before, I'm gonna be using coconut oil. Waffle mix into the iron. And this makes 4 waffles. Mine does. 4 like square waffles. Powdered sugar. And I'm kind of winging this, but I'll put some measurements for you. Probably needs a bigger bowl too. I may be able to get away with it in here. Let's see, y'all. If I'm able to get away with it in here, or am I gonna have to get a bigger bowl? And I might have put a little too much milk. So let's see what we're working with here. Yeah, I'm gonna need a bigger bowl. Hey y'all, so we finished making the cinnamon toast crunch waffles where we put some of the cinnamon toast crunch in the DivineKuizine waffle and pancake mix batter. So now what I'm going to do is I made the icing, which was powdered sugar. You've seen that, powdered sugar, vanilla, and I use half and half milk, but you can use just regular milk. I'm gonna take some of this and I'm gonna pour it in here because I wanna kind of drizzle the, did you want close-ups or no? Ready to taste the waffle. And put a little more of the icing on it. It's still warm. And we got the cereal on it. Let's go on and taste it. It's good. Let me get some of the cereal. Just some cereal. It's good. You know what it tastes like? Let me taste it one more time. You just need some bacon and eggs. Another potatoes. Potatoes. It's really not too sweet, too sweet, really. It tastes like a bowl of Cinnamon Toast Crunch.